on top of all that, we encouraged him to invest in wheat cultivation to support wheat producers. And he understood the message well. And I hope that by 2026 he will also have a good share of wheat production to transition in a few years from being an importer, as he was a few years ago, of flour to an exporter of wheat flour made in Burkina.
Greetings, families. Welcome back once again. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If this is your first time, my name is Mambi and you are very welcome. I react on news concerning Africa, especially AES. Yes, that's what I was about to say. The news, the quick news you heard is from Burkina Faso. We all know our president already. Yes, I've been hearing this news or seeing a thumbnail that says that Burkina Faso is exporting wheat to neighboring countries. I was like, where would I find that news? Where is the news? Where? I couldn't find it. Yesterday, the president himself was in this factory, Moulin. They produce flour. Yes. So this man used to import flour into the country, and since the government says that they will not be importing a lot of things anymore, they encourage him to build a factory so he will be producing flour. Okay, he imported the wheat to be producing flour. The main reason why the president is there is 2 years' time, hopefully they will stop importing wheat. He wants the company to help farmers so they can farm more wheat to stop wheat importation. Families, please listen to more. I will be back. Thank you for your time.
Ndiaki Tedala means the factory is built on 5 hectares with several components. The ceremony was attended by economic actors who congratulated the promoter for his vision, and especially his commitment to endogenous development in Burkina Faso and the state's encouragement of such initiatives. Presentation of the company and reactions from some actors in this report by Rouge Etkam and Musaki.
The industrial complex, Moulin Double Star, is built on an area of 5 hectares in Gampela in the rural commune of Samba. The company, which the head of state, Captain Ibrahim TRAORE, is becoming acquainted with here, specializes in the production of wheat flour. It includes an R5 building, administrative services, warehouses, and a laboratory.
Moulin Double Star is a new mill that will supply the national market with flour for bread. We handle production plus the analyses. So there is a laboratory here. When we want to monitor the protection of our mill, it will help the Burkina Faso country to increase the industry's capacity and various produce in the agri-food sector.
The inauguration ceremony of the Moulin Double Star Company gathers members of the government and actors from the Burkinabe economic world. I congratulate the promoter here, there, Suleiman Zidnaba, for his contribution to the development of the Burkina Faso chain.
I think all the authors are heard to call the president of Faso. I am certain that we can do it. What he wants, in this way the president of Faso will move forward.
This is therefore an investment made 100% by a Burkinabe private actor who takes pride in it, because it is a response to the call of the head of state and the president. Faso wanted to support this and has committed to continue doing so. Whether they are large industries, medium industries, or small industries, they can be assured that they will always have the support of the government and the commitment of the entire state by their side, so that this can become a reality for the happiness of all the Moulin.
With this inauguration of the Moulin Double Star Company, it is a step towards the industrialization of the country. Men of integrity. An industrialization capable of contributing to achieving food self-sufficiency and economic sovereignty through the processing of national products.
Thank you, families, for listening. As you can hear from our auntie, our sister, they are helping the president build this country. But while they are helping him, he's also helping them build their factories, their entrepreneurship, anything. All the people, big players you are seeing there, they will be encouraged to do the same thing, follow suit, whatever they can do best, bring it on the table. I remember the gold time. I'll bring that video back again. I will not talk about it now. Please, let's listen to our president himself and I'll be back. Thank you for your time.
It is a private developer who took the initiative to build this factory. Our presence here is primarily to encourage the private sectors to follow the same path, to enable the transformation of our raw materials locally. So we come to encourage the developer certainly, but through him to invite all Burkinabés who are capable of transforming our raw materials, industrializing the country, to engage in this dynamic, and also those from abroad. Invite them to come and invest in Burkina Faso. So this is the message we have come to deliver to him. In the recent past, we had to take measures to ban the importation of wheat flour, because wheat flour has always been imported into Burkina Faso. And he understood our message. He understood our vision. He was one of the largest importers of wheat flour. He decided to embark on this factory. We encouraged and supported him, and today it is a reality. And on top of all that, we encouraged him to invest in wheat cultivation to support wheat producers. And he understood the message well. And I hope that by 2026 he will also have a good share of wheat production to transition in a few years from being an importer, as he was a few years ago, of flour to an exporter of wheat flour made in Burkina Faso. So it's a reason for satisfaction and congratulations, good wine, to the promoters. The prospects for this sector, as you can see from the statements of the Minister of Agriculture, I think we have decided to initiate wheat cultivation. It has worked well, it is quite promising, and the results are satisfactory. This year, 2025, through ANERA, we have started a significant cultivation of seeds, pre-bases, which means that in 2026 we will boost wheat production. It's for milling. We cannot continue to import wheat to make flour. We want to become exporters of wheat flour in a few years. So these are our ambitions. And with the support of everyone, whether producers or processors, we therefore expect to achieve this goal.
Thank you, families, for listening. Now you know Burkina Faso still import wheat, but very soon they will stop importing wheat. That's the procedure that they are taking. And hopefully this factory will help. Definitely they will help for the government, for the president himself to get involved. It will work. I'm not doubting anything. It will definitely work. Next year, next 2 years, let's give them 3 years. They will stop everything entirely because they are working on the right direction. Let's put it that way. Thankfully, the agriculture minister is really good. And if you have a government that is encouraging you to do the best, I mean, what else do you want? They are going to stop importing. And so they will do anything to help this factory to work. Win-win situation. You heard the president as well calling diasporas to come home and help build the country. I'll be back with a lot more. Mali has also done something few months ago that I came across. So families, I'll be back to share that one also with you. You'll be amazed. I'm sure you will love it. God bless you all. Credit to Faso serving my returning families, my new ones, my VIPs, my kids and queens. God bless you. If you are new here, I react on anything Africa, especially Burkina Faso, Mali, and Niger, Ghana, sometimes Kenya as well. Please subscribe to join this amazing family. I'll be back with another news from Mali, Niger as well. Bye bye, families. See you soon.